Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, May 30, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
I know, right? I'm so tired from yesterday's meeting.
Oh, tell me about it. Meetings always take forever.
Yeah, but we got some work done. So, what's new with you?
Same old, just busy with sales calls.
I'm busy too. Got a big project deadline soon?
Deadlines, they're the worst, huh?
Totally. But hey, did you hear about that big summit news?
Summit? What summit are you talking about?
The one with Southeast Asian nations and China. They're meeting to talk about trade.
Oh, really? That sounds like a big deal for business.
It is. They want to make their economies stronger together.
Nice. Maybe that means more clients for me.
Could be. More trade often means more opportunities.
True. I'll keep an eye on that for sure.
Good idea. It might affect our market next year.
Yeah, gotta stay ahead. Anything else interesting?
Well, there's some news about tech and money stuff. You hear about the new tariffs?
Tariffs? Like extra costs on stuff we buy?
Exactly. The US wants to put a big 50% tariff on European goods.
Whoa, 50%? That's huge.
Yeah, and on phones not made in the US too. It's making the stock market go crazy.
Man, that's bad news. Our company buys a lot of tech from Europe.
I know. It could make our project costs go up.
Great, just what we need. More expensive computers.
Let's hope it doesn't happen. We're already on a tight budget.
Fingers crossed. I don't want to explain that to my boss.
Same here. It's a headache for planning projects.
Totally. Hey, let's talk about something fun now.
Sure. What do you have in mind?
Did you see that news about Harvard and international students?
Oh yeah, I did. They're having a big fight with the government.
Yeah, the US banned Harvard from taking foreign students. Crazy, right?
It is crazy. Harvard is even suing over it.
Whoa, suing the government? That's bold.
Very bold. They say it's not fair to stop students from coming.
I get it. Lots of smart people come from other countries.
Exactly. It's not just about Harvard, it's about ideas and culture.
True. My cousin studied there with people from everywhere.
Same with a friend of mine. It's sad if they can't come anymore.
Yeah, it's a big loss. We need all kinds of people to mix ideas.
For sure. It makes the world smaller in a good way.
Totally. Hey, imagine if we couldn't travel for work.
Oh, that would be awful. Our projects need global teams.
Right? I'd miss those business trips, free coffee abroad.
Huh, you and your coffee. But yeah, travel is important.
Speaking of coffee, I need a refill. You want one?
No thanks, I'm good. I've had 2 cups already.
Fair enough. I'm on cup number 3 today.
Wow, you're running on caffeine. Don't crash later.
No promises. Sales calls keep me going.
I bet. I've got a report to finish, so I'm pacing myself.
Good plan. Hey, how's that project coming along?
It's okay. Just a lot of details to check.
I hear ya. Details are the worst part of any job.
They really are. But it's almost done, so I'm happy.
Nice, almost there. Keep it up.
Thanks, David. How about your sales targets?
Hey, getting there. I've got a big client meeting soon.
Oh, good luck with that. Hope you close the deal.
Thanks, I'll need it. Gotta hit those numbers.
You'll do great. You always talk people into buying.
I try. It's all about the charm, right?
Right, charm and a good pitch.
You got it? Hey, any plans after work?
Not really. Just relaxing at home, I think.
Same here. I'm too tired for anything else.
I feel you. Long days at the office, take it out of me.
Yep. Just me, my couch, and some TV.
Sounds perfect. Maybe I'll watch a movie.
Nice. Something funny to take your mind off work?
Maybe. I need a good laugh after this week.
Oh, I get that. Work stress is no joke.
Nope, but hey, we're making it through.
We sure are. Teamwork makes the dream work, huh?
Huh, yeah, exactly. We've got this.
For sure? Well, I better get back to my desk.
Me too. Got a few emails to send.
All right. Catch you later, Alex.
See you later, David. Have a good day.
You too. Let's survive this work day.
Deal. Talk to you soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.